Okay, so whatever it might be for the MATLAB, so you can go with this MATLAB. Okay, some example you can consider. You can learn the basics things from this documentation part. Okay, so when you started, so you have to start from there. Let's say here. So MATLAB, the language of technical computing, what it do exactly, how to insert the command, how to use, let's say how to get started, language fundamentals, how to import data and analysis, mathematics. Okay, let's say linear algebra, differentiation and integral, Fourier transform and other mathematics. Okay, then graphics, programming and many more things are present here. Okay, let's say if you can refer to whatever example are present. Let's say you can refer some example. Okay, so just go here and refer this kind of example. It will directly automatically open in MATLAB, or you can just refer here also. Okay, or let's say from here also you can, let's say any command you can consider here. Let's say sqrt. Okay, if you want to know what is this command, so simply just click over and open. Okay, so here you can see, or either in, okay, it is used for the syntax, the description of it. Okay, I will open in the big window in the browser. Okay, so it will show what is this sqrt. It is a square root, the syntax for this, which is the, let's say any variable you can assign its command and its value. Okay, and the example, let's say this is the example. Okay, to create the square root of a vector element, so this is the example. So similarly, any function that present in MATLAB, okay, you can refer to its documentation.